Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something just a little bit different. With my wife's help, we're going to make blueberry cobbler. She's already got the blueberries here in the, she added a, looks like I believe a 1/8 of a cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. You can also do this with strawberries, blackberries, cherries, just different things. And you may have to vary the amount of sugar you add due to the fruit you're using, because some is more tart than others. Here we've got the 12-inch cast iron, already got a stick of butter melted in there and got it preheated. What she's going to do here in a few minutes, we'll get to that. She's going to take some sugar, some flour, and some milk and mix it up, and then we're going to put all this in the cast iron together and bake it. We've already got the oven preheated to 375 degrees. So I'm going to pause this for just a minute while these blueberries finish, and then we'll get it all in the pan and show you what's going on. Alright, next what she's going to do, she's got her large bowl, medium bowl. She's got her whisk. We have 1 cup of flour. She measured all these. We got 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of sugar. We're going to go ahead and step back out of the way and let her get these all mixed up, and we'll show you what's next.
Sorry.
Alright, there goes the milk in with the flour. Set all these aside, and here goes the sugar in. Now, like I said, these are all measured, 1 cup of each. Now she's going to mix them up. Alright, she's got the blueberries all come together, I guess is what they call it. She's ready to go ahead and get them put over here in this cast iron skillet, which we got preheated with the butter. She's going to dump those down in there. Make sure she gets every last one of them. Set that aside. Alright, now she's going to dump this mixture, the 1 cup of the milk, the flour, and the sugar, dump it all over top of it and get them spread around. And yeah, I went ahead and cheated and took a little taste of that batter, and it's going to be sweet. There it is. This is the way we're going to put it in the oven. Now we've got the oven preheated. We're going to pop this in there and leave it for about 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and call it 10 minutes after 8 time we get it in the oven. So we'll see you all in about 30 minutes and we'll see what this thing tastes like. Okay, so here's the finished product. We checked it around the 30-minute mark and decided to go ahead and leave it for about 45 minutes. And this is what the finished product looked like. As you can tell, we haven't took a bite out of it or cut a piece out of it yet, but we're going to go ahead and get to that. We just want to show you what it looked like fresh out of the oven. Like I said, this is we went 45 minutes with this blueberry. I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera. We'll get a plate and dip some out and take a look. Alright, she's going to take the first dip out and get on a plate, and we've got some Mayfield Neapolitan strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate ice cream, take your pick, to go with it. And right there we go. Make sure she gets all the blueberries from that one spot. Alright. Scoop of vanilla ice cream, and we're going to set it over here on the table and get a picture of it. Looks like she's going to get all the vanilla and not leave me any. Alright. Alright, we're going to go ahead. I threw a picture in right there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to enjoy this. If you like the recipe, please like, share, subscribe. Leave any comments or suggestions. And hope you enjoyed the video. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.